Good morning and welcome to a very shiny me. I am fully sun creamed up. I've also woken up feeling like I'm full of cold, so yay. But we are off to Blizzard Beach today. Everyone is trying to get into their swimwear and clothes so we can go. Everyone's fully sun creamed up. But yeah, we're gonna head over to Blizzard Beach. Jay and I haven't been since 2014. Madison hasn't been at all. We've worked out we need to get the bus from Port Orleans to Animal Kingdom and then Animal Kingdom to Blizzard Beach. So let's see how that goes. We're not going to take this camera along. We'll take the GoPro. What we film is anyone's business, or anyone knows because it's us. But yeah, we've had some breakfast in the room. And we're just having a slow and leisurely day, which is quite nice when you're not feeling the best. My hair really needs a wash, but Jay has plaited it and now it's looking like Pippi Longstocking. I'm not sure what that look is. Hey! But yeah, we are off. It's something. But yeah, we will go and have some water park fun today.
Hello.
Bobbing along in the lazy river.
And for what? I'm bobbing along. For what?
Yeah, Madison's got herself a little kiddie ring and she's just bobbing along. Yeah, she's the cameraman, so apologies if we film random stuff. Eh? What are you up to?
Just bobbing.
Just bobbing. What have we done?
Two slides.
Were they good? Where's your hat?
In my cheek.
Okay. Because we haven't already had our hat fly off, have we? Maybe.
Oh! It's a big splasher!
It's a big splasher! That's normally you.
Hey, let's win. Get me away from the big splasher.
We can't get you away from it. We're in a water park.
Get about how? There, no, not. No one pushes me in. No, you can't. Oh no.
Freezing? It wasn't the warmest, was it?
No.
But even if it was warm, you'd be like, ooh.
No. Yeah. I'm winning! I won another! You loser! You loser! Hello, I'm going on to the water slide again, and I've won about 3 to 4 times. So, I'm gonna go down and you're gonna see my face. You're gonna love it. Oh no.
Or
no.
Miss Adventure Falls?
Oh! I think Miss Adventure Falls.
You prefer Miss Adventure Falls?
Yep. I think
This one's longer though.
Yeah, but Miss Adventure Falls has some more splashing and it wakes us up. And it's way more fun because we go up and then we go down. Not that we have to take the gondola up.
I'm guessing by that big black cloud, we might be better to trundle back to our stuff.
Yes, straight away.
Welcome back to day 3. Hopefully there'll be some footage of Blizzard Beach before this. If not, we went to Blizzard Beach this morning. We then came into Epcot. You have to excuse me at the moment because I feel like rubbish. Plain lurgy has got me, so not the best. Yeah, we popped into Epcot. We've got a reservation at Teppan Edo in about 45 minutes, but we are in the queue for Test Track because it's just gone down because of the weather, or just come back up from being down for the weather, and it should be a shorter queue. We have just done Cosmic Rewind. What song did you want?
September.
What song did you get?
September.
So she was very happy. As we got to Epcot, the heavens opened, so we just got in the line for Cosmic Rewind just to stay dry. And now we are jumping on Test Track. You have ridden this once, but we didn't ride this last time, did we? Did we ride this last time? No, it was down last time.
Yes.
So it's been 3 or 4 years since Madison rode it, so we're going to see what the changes are.
We have taken chicken and shrimp, naked shrimp. We have chicken and shrimp.
It's good.
Magic coin. Magic water. Okay, ready? Down your body. Very good. And welcome aboard the Guinea Good Choo-choo train.
Look at your shrimp sniffing.
Oh, that's quick.
I don't know, I assume so. Oh, soy sauce, Maddie. Yeah. We finished our meal in Teppan Edo. It was really good. Like, we've been there before. I think last time we would have been 2019. And we
Scary how many years that was.
it then, but we were on the dining plan, and you do wonder if you distort your view of things when technically you're not paying out of pocket for it. But it was really nice.
Yeah, I really enjoyed that one.
I had the chicken and shrimp. It's really nice. It comes in like veggie noodles and white rice, and starters like a salad with a soya ginger dressing, I think. And after that interruption, yeah, it was really nice. Madison had the kids' shrimp. Can't fault it. It was really nice. I'll try and put on the screen now how much it costs, because I just paid it. Didn't really take any notice, so do that. Then we came out of the restaurant, and obviously it's up on like the first floor, so it's got a higher vantage point, and we came out and there was a view or a space next to the railings, 20 minutes to go till Luminous, so
So it was really good timing.
We jumped in that spot and now we're going to watch it from up here and then meander back to the room. So this is not my favourite fireworks. I really thought I wasted my time watching this last year, so which I know someone's going to come at me for it, but I had no emotional connection to it at all. So let's see if watching it from a different point,
it's nice. I like,
and maybe in a different mindset, that maybe it does make me feel something.
Like Claire coming off my forehead. There we go. That's better.
But yeah, we had a really nice meal, and it'd be nice to finish off with some fireworks for this evening. I was just saying, tomorrow is Friday. Fireworks, the Halloween party starts really soon.
Friday.
And it's then obviously gonna make a difference to when we can watch Starlight Parade. So we're gonna need to sit down and look at the plan. When I put the plan together, Starlight hadn't been announced. Yeah, I did it ages ago, so we need to just have a little review of that to make sure
Something nice to be really organised.
To make sure we got a couple of chances to watch it. But yeah, we're gonna wait the next probably 8 minutes now and watch the fireworks. welcome to 1, 2, maybe 3 really tired people. Without sounding like a broken record, I'm sick. I could deny it, but I've definitely got a cold. It's not been the greatest for me, but we've had a lovely day, haven't we? Yeah.
What have you been up to?
I'm trying to think.
We had fun at Blizzard Beach. What do you think of Blizzard Beach?
That was actually quite fun.
Better than Typhoon, or?
Oh, I don't know.
Bit of a tough call, isn't it?
I was really keen to get back to Blizzard Beach because we just haven't been. We walked in and we were like, none of this feels familiar.
No, it's been so long.
It's 2014, so a long time.
Not even when the little one, that's it.
No, not even 2019 when you first came. I don't think we made the best of it. I don't think, because I wasn't feeling great, I think we hit the rides this morning and then kind of came out and got some food. We found the food options in the park really limiting.
Yeah,
it was chicken nuggets, nachos, rice bowls.
Pizza.
Yeah, pizza. Which for some probably wasn't that restrictive, but it just felt like, I don't know. And it's probably not made any better by me not really feeling
The love.
it. So we just did the rides, the slides. You spent some time in the the tweens area, as they call it.
It was actually quite fun there.
Yeah, you had fun. And then we got bus to Pop. The thing we found weird was that certain resorts have a bus directly to Blizzard Beach.
Oh, don't.
So All Stars, Pop Art, Coronado.
Oh,
Yes,
for
That
family.
might have been.
That might have been it. And then the rest of us had to go via Animal Kingdom and transfer from a bus from Animal Kingdom to Blizzard Beach. Wasn't a problem. It just felt a bit odd like that, but we did use it to our advantage and we jumped on a bus over to Pop to grab food because you really like the
Yeah, sesame chicken.
chicken.
Like a Chinese dish.
And Madison wanted kids pasta Alfredo, which I couldn't find on mobile order, so we shared a chicken parm with Alfredo sauce and a garlic breadstick, and it was lovely. We really enjoyed it, didn't we? So we did that. Then,
I'm gonna nod because I finished that off as well.
yeah. Then we got a bus back to Springs and a boat back from Springs to here. And then we headed to Epcot this evening.
So the boat back here is always a nice leisurely kind of way to
Yeah.
integrate into the day.
I think like with anything though, at the end of the day or the end of when you're ready to come back to your resort, waiting for bus, boat or whatever feels like a long slog. But we went into Epcot this evening, got hit by rain when we first got there, which wasn't torrential by any standards, but it was enough when it's your first rain of the holiday to make you think. Jumped on Guardians, had a great time with that. We did start queuing for Test Track, but she said it'd be 20 minutes, but we were half an hour in and we were nowhere near the front.
No, it kind of like just stopped moving for quite a while.
So we left that. These guys started walking around towards the Japan Pavilion. I stopped in at the first aid centre because my head was done and I swapped handbags over, so then didn't have any paracetamol. And they quite happily gave me 2 paracetamol, reminded me to drink plenty in case it was dehydration, got me to sign a piece of paper, and off I went with my 2 paracetamol.
Yeah.
Great.
So well done.
It was, yeah, literally I was in and out within a minute. And they were really 2 really nice ladies in there, so that was lovely and much appreciated. And then our food was lovely. Really enjoyed Teppan Edo, which we said earlier.
So if you've never been, I highly recommend it.
Yeah, you've got to enjoy communal sitting.
Yeah.
We had one family who kept themselves to themselves, and we tried to engage with the young couple on the other side, and it's nice to try and chat to people.
Yeah.
I'm not the most easy, like, forthcoming with making conversation. Jay's a bit better, and he did strike up a conversation.
Never speak to them.
No, you sat.
Ever.
But yeah, it was a lovely meal, and so we popped out, and then it was fireworks. What do we think?
You go.
I really love the music that they've chosen to kind of convey what they're trying to convey, but I still think it's missing something. It just does not hit me in the feels, even though the music should do. So it wasn't for me.
Daddy?
I don't think it's as good as what it replaces.
Either one,
yeah.
the short temporary one, or
And for the life of me,
Illuminations.
yeah, thank you.
I loved Illuminations, but I think it's because it was one of the first shows I saw. But
I mean, as a fireworks display, it's still very good and very well done, and everything else.
I don't think the storyline conveys into the show.
No.
Madison believes that it needs something more. She thinks it misses the element of like storytelling through people, and she really thought maybe the idea of having something representing each country on a boat. It's just not just fireworks. She thought something like a boat, like in Fantasmic, with people from each country, maybe showing some dance or something, would be a really nice idea. She thinks it just needs a little bit more human interaction. So I don't think she's wrong.
No.
I'm not sure how you do it.
No.
But
or something generally conveying kind of like around the world, etc.
Yeah.
I mean,
but it's still it's a nice show.
Yeah.
Got the bus back, wasn't a problem, and now we're back and we're all exhausted. We've had a little snacky snack, and now we're gonna go to bed. Tomorrow is a more leisurely day, hitting Magic Kingdom in the morning because it's the first Halloween party of the season, and
so we found previously, as a lot of people have, Halloween party days, nights, whatever. Generally, the morning in the park during the day is a little bit quieter.
Yeah, so that we're going to try that, and then the afternoon/evening is open to interpretation, or it could be a lazy pool evening, maybe do a load of washing. All the good things, but we have plenty of credits to use up. That will be our challenge, and we'll probably go more into that tomorrow because we're swimming in credits at the moment, so we shall think about that tomorrow. But I'm struggling to keep my eyes open.
Let me just do something. Let me just do something quickly.
I don't know what
I'm
she's
not
doing.
entirely sure what that is.
Gosh,
but-
she's doing. Well, my eyeballs are still there, so I'm safe. But we're going to save you from this flattering angle because my eyes are that bad. I can't even see what I look like, which is probably a good thing. Probably going to regret this when I edit it later. But thank you for watching day 3.
Unless you count
Yeah.
Capital
Tuesday,
Day.
Wednesday, Thursday. Yeah, day 3 here.
Yes.
And we shall catch you on day 4, and hopefully I will wake up feeling
Full of the joys.
full of joys, and at least not needing to be attached to a tissue.
And I would
all the
probably
time.
we would probably both be switching because earlier tonight my nose was little snot.
It's not. Oh, lovely! That isn't that an attractive thought to end the vlog? Well, on that, no, we're going to
No.
say goodnight because I think delirium has set
Yeah.
in. So good night, all.
Night all.